important to remember that in the English language, sentences can be defined in two ways, by their purpose or by their structure. Today, we shall learn about the first kind, that is, by the purpose of the sentence. There are four different functions a sentence can have in the English language, namely declarative, positive or negative statements, imperative, that is commands, interrogative, that is questions, and exclamative. Now let's take a look at the table to better understand the differences between the four sentence functions and the indicators at a glance. Declarative, it states a fact or an opinion or gives information. Punctuation used is period or full stop. Word order, subject, predicate. Affirmative example, Rama exercises every day. Negative example, Rohit does not exercise daily. Identifiers, seems or I think. Imperative, it gives command or advice or makes a request. The punctuation used is period or full stop. Word order, verb, object. Affirmative example, you clean your room. Negative example, don't eat junk food or you don't eat junk food. Identifiers, starts with a verb or uses please. Interrogative, it asks a question or requests information. The punctuation used is question mark. Word order, auxiliary or modal verb, subject, predicate. A WH word, verb, subject, object. Affirmative example, are you going to the party? What is her favorite color? And negative examples, isn't this your pen? Or why are you not ready? Identifiers are, shall, could, what, when, where, etc. Exclamative, it expresses emotions. The punctuation used is exclamation mark. Word order, interjection, subject, verb, object. Or exclamatory pronouns, noun or object. Affirmative example, wow, you look beautiful in that dress. What a beautiful dress. Negative example, yuck, this tastes horrible. Or how terrible is that? Identifiers can be wow, alas, oh, great or cool, yuck, etc. Declarative, that is positive or negative statements. A declarative states a fact or an opinion or gives information. It ends in a period or a full stop. It is the most common type of sentence in the English language. Declarative sentence can further be classified into simple, compound, complex and compound complex. For a sentence to be declarative, it must contain at least a subject and a predicate containing a verb. Declarative sentences can either be affirmative or negative. For example, Rama exercises every day. Rohit does not exercise every day. Now, imperative, that is commands. An imperative sentence gives a command or advice or makes a request. Like the declarative sentence, it ends with a full stop. The subject is implied and not explicit in the imperative sentence. It must contain a verb and an object. It can be affirmative or negative. For example, clean your room or do not eat junk food. The third type is interrogative, that is questions. Interrogative sentences are very easily identified by the question mark at the end. They are used to gather information or ask a question. These sentences start either with auxiliary verbs such as am, is, was, are, have, did, do, or modal verbs such as could, would, shall, should, may, can, or WH question words such as which, where, what, why, how, etc. The verb is followed by the subject and then the object. It can be affirmative or negative. For example, are you going to the party? Or why are you not ready? Fourth type is exclamative. Exclamative sentences are very easily identified by the exclamation mark at the end. It is used to express emotions. It uses interjections such as wow, alas, hooray, followed by the subject, verb and then the object. Alternatively, it uses the exclamatory pronouns followed by the object. In this type of construction, there is no verb present. The exclamatory form can be used to express positive or negative emotions. For example, wow, you look beautiful in that dress. Or, what a beautiful dress. Transformation of sentences. When declarative contains the adverb never, it becomes ever in interrogative sentence. For example, I never asked you to do it. This is declarative. In interrogative, it becomes did I ever ask you to do it? When a declarative sentence contains the adverb no, it becomes any in the interrogative sentence. For example, there is no fun in doing that. This is declarative. In interrogative, it becomes is there any fun in doing that? A declarative sentence can also be changed into an interrogative sentence by adding a short question at the end. If the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. For example, she is very talented. This is declarative. In interrogative, it becomes she is very talented, isn't she? The exclamation mark needs to be removed while converting an exclamatory sentence to an assertive declarative sentence. And adverbs like very, great, indeed and truly need to be added to the sentence. Let's see an example. How beautiful is the Taj Mahal? This is exclamatory. Now, to make it declarative, we can say the Taj Mahal is very beautiful. Inversely, a declarative sentence can be transformed into an exclamatory sentence by adding the WH adjective or the interjection. For example, it is a very good idea. This is declarative. Now, to make it exclamatory, we can add what a very good idea it is. The subject needs to be added while transforming imperative into declarative. For example, open the door. This is imperative. To make it declarative, You can say, you open the door. What did we learn? We learned to identify the correct type of sentence to express the appropriate purpose. For example, if you want to write an instruction manual or advisory, it is best to use imperative form of sentences. If you want to write or express emotions, exclamatory sentences will help you the best. Declarative sentences which give information form the majority of all sentences. If you want to know more about a topic, the interrogative types of sentences would serve you well. Furthermore, we have learned to construct the 4 types of sentences by understanding the syntax, that is word order, and the appropriate punctuations and identifiers. We also saw how to transform one type of sentence into another type by understanding certain grammatical rules. Exercise. Identify the sentences and transform them into the other 3 kinds of sentences. Meena goes to the grocery shop. This is declarative. Answer. Go to the grocery shop. Where did Meena go? Wow, Meena already went to the shop. Will you come to my dance show tomorrow? This is interrogative. Answer. You will come to my dance show tomorrow. Will you come to my dance show tomorrow, please? What a beautiful dance show. Turn right at the roundabout. This is imperative. Answer. We turn right at the roundabout. Where should we turn? Oh no, we must turn right at the roundabout. What a match! This is exclamatory. Answer. It was an interesting match. Make the match interesting. Was it an interesting match? I am a student. Declarative. Now answers. Are you a student? Welcome to the new student. Oh, you're a student.